to make the fall leaf, and I just took scraps and fall colors, and I decided to use the yellow as the background. This will be brown right here. That was just so I could see where the stem was going to be laying. Although I guess you could do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is sew these two pieces together. If you've watched me make my other leaves, they look a little bit different. This was a new pattern that I thought I would try. But you can make a really cute leaf just using a 9 patch. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with this one. And then these. Okay, so I'm going to sew these together. I'm going to sew these two together. So now we've got this, and I want to border it, and then we'll be back. And then I have this one that could be the opposite side of the pillow, or make two pillows and have them matching. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get to work on the pillow itself, and I'll bring you along. Okay, so now that I have the border on, I'm going to go in and do some straight line quilting. I'm just going to first outline the leaf, and then I'll go around the inside border just like I've done the outside. Okay, so I've got it, the pillow form inside, and right now it is stitched in, but I think I may take that out, and that way I could do different holiday cases, and just, you know, have the zipper there for convenience. But here is our quilted leaf, and then on the other side we have the quilted pumpkin. And again, this pattern is by Miriam over at Stitch Obsessed. It's a free pattern. She's got some really good videos. I need to thread trim a little. She has some really good videos if you haven't watched her. So anyway, have a great day. Bye.